Hi, welcome to Maker's Digest. We haven't quite started filming for the show yet because we still have some preparations to do here at the workbench. The way that this show is going to be laid out is there's two main shots. The first shot is this one. We've got the camera on a tripod, pretty easy setup, no problem. Next shot is going to be top down so you can see what I'm working on. That's going to be a little tougher to set up. We could just set up on a tripod, but we're all makers here, so let's make something. So what we're going to do is we're going to wrap up here, we're going to go down to the shop, and we're going to fabricate a bracket for the camera, total custom bracket. So let's take some measurements first. Protection. Use them. Hearing is important. Engage. Engage. Well, there it is. I was going to film the welding, but as I was setting up the shot, I wasn't quite sure if I needed a filter or anything, or if it was going to ruin my brand new camera and lens. So I decided not to film the welding until I do some research on that and figure it out. But we'll get back to some welding and make it a little bit prettier than this, because one thing I made sure of is she ain't pretty, but that's okay. It's gonna go behind the camera. And here we are, back from the shop, a little bit dirtier, a little bit smarter, but we built a bracket. Here's the full completed unit. It has a little gimbal on it, so I can do some fine adjustments, and we're going to mount it right into these little slots here. It's just gonna kind of jam in there a little bit. See? Just like that. Let's set up the shot and see how it looks. Well, here it is. This is the shot that we're gonna have for the workbench. Not too bad, got plenty of room to work and got my hands in here. This is what you're gonna see most of the time. Of course, we've got our Raspberry Pi and Arduino breadboard set up here. Lots of little bits and bobs and parts and tools to work with. So I guess we don't have any reason not to shoot the first episode now. So check back. Thanks for watching.